Hi everyone, it's me again, Elle. I hope you're all doing great. Before I clock in for work, I always do a quick cleanup around the house. It's likely my little morning therapy. It helps me think clearly and start my day with a calm mind. Since I started working from home, isa talaga sa mga natutunan ko, sobrang laki ng impact ng malinis na environment sa productivity. Kapag maayos ang paligid kasi parang ang gaan din ng pakiramdam. Tapos syempre mas ganado akong magtrabaho, mas kalmado yung utak, at mas happy ako buong araw. Tsaka para sa akin, yung malinis at organized na space, parang extension ng mindset mo. Kapag magulo yung paligid, minsan pati isip mo nagiging magulo na rin. Kaya bago talaga ako mag-work, I take time to reset my space para pag kaharap ko na yung laptop ko, kalmado na ako at ready na for the day. Since mom na rin ako, gusto kong lumaki ang mga anak ko na may appreciation sa kalinisan. Na makita nila na hindi ito responsibilidad lang, kundi isa itong habit na nagbibigay respeto sa sarili at sa tahanan. I always tell myself cleanliness starts with me. If they see me keeping our home clean and organized, they'll naturally learn to do the same. Some people think cleaning is tiring. And yes, minsan nga talaga. Pero para sa akin kasi, it's therapeutic. Yung sound ng vacuum, yung amoy ng bagong punas na table, yung pagkakita ng maayos na cabinet, lahat yan may peace na dala. It's my kind of self-care. I think adulting hits you the hardest way when you realized na maliliit na bagay like a clean home or organized shelf can bring so much joy. It's not about perfection. It's about creating peace in the middle of chaos. Honestly, motherhood taught me that a clean home doesn't mean a perfect one. It means a lived-in home filled with love and effort. May kalat pa rin, oo. Pero it's the kind of mess that reminds me I have kids running around, growing, learning, and living. And I'm okay with that. I used to stress over the mess, but now I remind myself this is the season I prayed for. A noisy, messy, love-filled home. And as long as my kids are happy, healthy, and learning, I'll take the toys on the floor and the fingerprints on the glass anytime. Share ko lang din pala, lately kasi I have my new helper sa bahay. And it's my robot vacuum with mop. It saves me so much time, especially on busy days when meetings pile up and of course mom duties never end. It's one of those adulting obsessions that actually makes sense. The kind that makes you say, bakit ngayon ko lang binili to? Char. Ang saya lang kasi habang yung robo vacuum naglilinis ng sahig, nakakapag-ready na ako for work. Or minsan, nakakapagpahinga muna ako kahit saglit. Tapos yung simpleng coffee break na walang guilt kasi may katulong na ako sa chores. Maliliit na bagay lang pero ang laking ginhawa talaga, lalo na sa mga mami na tulad ko. Ayan, ready na ulit magtrabaho. Clean home, calm mind, happy heart. Kompleto na ang formula ko for a productive day. To all the working moms out there, saludo ako sa inyo. We're doing great, one clean space at a time. Ingat!